Welcome to my channel. This is Jackie from Jangle Art and Design, and today I'm going to do a flip through of a stationery book that I made with a kit of Stacy McDaniel from Crafty Dragon Creations called Cottagecore Fox, and I will add all the information in the description box below. There's also a 30% discount on the kit at the shop in Etsy, and that discount runs until the end of July. So let's get to the book. Firstly, I made a dangle of fox tails and little fox paw imagery dangle, and then on the front I added some foxes from the kit, and some of the decorations are simply just from other parts of my digital collection or fancy stuff that I use to decorate. So let's open up the book. On the front I've got springtime quotes. I felt that this felt to me like a springtime occasion, so I added a lot of springtime quotes and a lot of vibrancy colors. So on the left hand side we've got a pocket here at the bottom, and you can see that I put lace trimming around the edges on the inside. Now here is a old vintage page out of a book from 1946 or 56, an encyclopedia, and it describes here what a fox actually is, and I just added that there for a bit of to make it more interesting. Then I've got an envelope which is part of the kit with 2 note cards that you can write on, and I glued all my digital prints to colorful cardstock, yellow, orange and green. And I made these little discs. I resized these little fox tags and made them smaller and added them to music paper, which I colored with mica powder. And then I've got this little trifold also with a spring a spring quote, and inside I've got 3 arches that are also part of the kit, with foxes lazing around and with tags inside, and also some spring coats and some of my own colored paper which I also stamped. And there's another quote, and this goes into the front pocket. And then on this side some more blooms and a spring quote, and this little fox is just looking at us. And then on the inside, on the right hand side, I've got this little fox reading, and I made a little butterfly embellishment here on the right hand side, and there's a little fox embellishment. And then we've got a pocket here with tickets inside, which I also inked and glued to yellow paper just to brighten up everything. And here I made a little banner hanging with little fox tickets. I also resized it and made it smaller, and here's a fox with some or other sentiment on it. And this is a notebook I made, or little mini journal book, and here's another little fox embellishment. And then when we open the book, we've got this beautiful image with another spring quote, and you can see this is on yellow, and then here's a nice little edge, and then this is paper from the kit, and then I added some of my own paper in between. Here's another paper from the kit, and another one, and there's something of my own, and another paper from the kit, more of my own kit paper, and then at the back here's my belly band with another fox image and another pocket with a little card inside. And then if we remove the book, one mistake I made, the belly band I did not make with cardstock, and that's a huge mistake because it's so fragile. Yeah, I made a pocket. I just painted this card with like bubbles or circles and added these two cards, journal cards, in here and decorated it a bit. And then we can put back the book into the folder, and then when we close the folder, on the back we've got another pocket with a tag and a small tag and a large tag. So this was my project for the Fox kit, Cottagecore Fox kit, and I hope you enjoyed the flip through with me. Until we craft together again, happy crafting.